is time for the Math 230 review of section 2.3, the conditional part 2. For this lesson, I'm going to do a larger truth table that involves P, Q, and R, and then I'm also going to do some weird if-then statements about concluding. All right, so this is the truth table we did last time in the other video. And as you can see, I want to do this problem, which is number 57. It's got P, Q, and R. And we have the and, we have the conditional, we have the or, we even have a tilde. And when you have 3 letters, you have to do 8 rows, 4 trues, 4 falses, pairs, and then every other. Okay. Just as with before, what I'm going to do is make a row for each parenthesis. So I'll have Q or tilde R. I'll also have one for P or Q, and then I also need one for tilde R. So let's see, I'll do tilde R here, P and Q here. Okay, now remember the and, once you have a false, the whole thing is false. Okay, so when I look at P and Q, true, 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 false, false. So once I have a false, it stays false with the ands. So false, true, false, false, true, false, 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 false. Okay, so basically once I have an F, the whole thing is an F. All right, now tilde R. We're going to go to this R column and we are going to alternate every sign. So every true will turn into a false, every false will turn into a true. So here we go. False, true. Did I do that right? Yes, I did. Sorry. False, true, false, true, false, true, false, true. And as you can see, even I get confused sometimes because there's so many letters. All right, now, Q or tilde R. I want Q and I want tilde R. You know what? These are so far apart. I'm just going to write the little equation right here. So this would be true or false, true or true, false or false. So I'm taking the Q and the tilde R. False or true, true or false, true or true, false or false, false or true. All right, now with the or, as soon as you get a T, the whole thing is a T. So this is the result that I'm interested in is true, true, false, true, 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 false, true, and hopefully I haven't made any mistakes. Whew, okay. Now, we're going to do the conditional. I want this column with this column second. So this is first, this is second, and I really have to be careful of order. So here we go, really careful. I'm just going to write the first column value, arrow, second column value. So I'm writing true or true. Sorry, true, then true. If true, then true. False, then false. False, then true, false, then true, false, then true, false, then false, and finally false, then true. All right. Oh, the moment we've been waiting for. Okay, we have the conditional statements that I need to figure out. Okay, our rule is both the same, they stay true. So true, true is true, false, false is true. However, if I lead with the true and with the false, it's false. If I lead with the false and with the true, it's true. Let's see how we do. True, true, true. If I lead with the false and then a true, it's true, 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 true. Only this last one is also a true. Oh my gosh, they were all true. I don't know if I've ever seen a table where it's all true. I wonder if I screwed up somewhere. I hope I didn't. Okay, Next thing, and hello, Wonder Woman. You're helping me out here. All right. Ah, Wonder Woman fell over. Okay. If you fall off a wall, then you will hurt yourself. For those who were in class this week, you know my son actually did fall off a wall and broke his arm. But here we go. Assume the above statement has an overall value of true. If you hurt yourself, can we conclude you fell off the wall? So here's how I do these problems. We'll call the wall, or if you fell off a wall, W, and that I hurt myself, H. And what we're being told is that the whole thing has a value of true. Okay, so it's saying that if we hurt ourselves, if that's a true, does the first part have to be true? Okay, well, let's look up at our truth table. If my second's a true and my last is a true, does the first thing have to be a true? So if I go up to my truth table, if I have a true and the second spot and I end with the true, do I have one choice or two? And as you can see, I actually have two choices. The fact that I have two choices, that this could be a false or a true, means that I cannot conclude. So we cannot conclude. If I only had one choice, then we could say we conclude. All right, so let's try it again. If you did not hurt yourself, can we conclude you did not fall off a wall? Okay, so again, we still have wall, then H equals true. So it's saying that I did not hurt myself. So it's saying that this isn't true, it's false. So the question is, does that first part have to be true or false? Okay, if we go up to our truth table, the second value that's a false, we want the last value to be a true. So I have a second value of false, last value is a true. The other one that has a second value of false has a overall of false. So we only have one choice. Because we only have one choice, that means then that yes, we can conclude. All right, I hope that helps. Good luck studying.